Alrighty guys, welcome back. Almighty Garage Big Ranch here. How you doing? We're back on this 76 5 horsepower Briggs engine. Got it back together. Got some oil in it. Let's pull this plug and put some oil down the cylinder and give her a little pss. See if she'll bust off for us. How's that sound? It wasn't very tight. I'm thinking about taking this head off also, looking at the head and the valves. This thing will focus. Focus. Ooh, a lot of deposit build up. Oh well. Give her a little bit of Harbor Freight oil, baby. Don't flood it out too much. Couple of drippy droppies. Now let's pull this thing over here. See if I can do it with one hand. Yeah. Okay. We're not going to clean that at all. In fact, shoot some carburetor cleaner down the hole, clean the oil out, and see if she'll bust off for us. Bust it, baby. Bust it, baby. My little bust it, baby. And we're going to give her another little pss, pss. I wouldn't do this at home. Paid professionals only. So let me see where I can set you guys. It's going to have to be over here. Let's see. Yeah, you guys can see that. Ready? Are you ready for the countdown? Let me take this thing of open oil here and put on the floor. Well, she runs. The pool cover starter is squeaking, and it's going to need cleaned because when it squeaks like that, it's trying to pull the cord in. Some little balls inside of here. Stop it. Let's try it again. Try to hold it down. Actually, better yet, let me clamp it down. I don't think I got it. Anything to clamp it down with, do I, baby? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. This was the best table ever given to me. I'm glad they left that lip there so you can clamp stuff. Somebody thought ahead on this table when they built it back in the 70s. Ready? Fire in the hole. Another shot. That wasn't good. There went my head. My head fell off. We gotta hear it some more. Try and get it running. Keep it running. a dancing, dancing, like them girls on Friday night. Girls on Friday night. She was just a dancing. Well, I'll say she's a runner. We'll clean them little balls up, because somebody's bowls are dirty. You guys ever get dirty bowls? Oh, I don't want to grab that muffler right now. That'd be pretty idiotic of me. It does have an on and off switch here. But yeah, what you guys were hearing, you pull this cover off, and I believe there's 4 or 5 little balls in there. You pull it slowly, you can hear them. And that shaft could be... The shaft and balls are probably dirty. Oh, goodness. Oh, poor feller. The old shaft and balls are dirty. We'll get them cleaned up for him. She's a runner, though. Did you guys see her dancing? I hope it caught all of it. Here's the clutch that I ordered, 3/4 inch. If we can find the spot here. There it is. I think she's going to ride on there. I don't think we'll have any problems of it coming off. It is a little loose. We got set screws and a bolt here, which is going to ride inward. So flip it around, put it on like that. But yeah, she sounded good other than that screaming for help. Clean my shaft and balls. That thing is a little wompy. That is not the correct bolt that goes in there. Is there even a bolt in it down here? Yeah, it's probably loose. What about over here? Yeah. So, this is, I love this engine, guys. Like I told you before, just the collar green. You don't see too many Briggs this color. Or the Power Chief. I mean, it's just, it screams hot rod engine. Like I said, Lakewood Industries, Power Chief, Hurst shifters, Mallory, Ignition, Hayes. It just screams, I'm a bad motherfucker. Flowmaster. I really don't want to get rid of this engine. My plan is to build this bike and probably list it for sale. I don't think I'm going to get my money back though out of this one. But I'm trying to find some boiled linseed oil and vinegar so we can do this frame up before we start assembling it. So we can keep the patina. I got new bearings, all that. I got everything new for it. I really love this engine. We should have picked a different engine to put on this thing. I would like to keep this. I would like to put this engine on this bike here, because I'm not selling this bike. I don't know. We might not sell this one. Who knows, guys. Carburetor situation. Still haven't figured out. Probably just going to make an intake for it. That's what I'll do. Probably trace that out and just make a pipe that comes out this way a little bit, kicks out. Never made one before, but it ain't too hard. Can't be. But there's our engine, guys. We got a runner. So the next video, we're going to be starting on the frame. And thanks for hanging in there. I know I'm insane, but you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Tell your neighbors, tell your friends, tell your doggy about me if you got one, or your kitty cat, or whatever you got. Let them watch too. But I gotta get off here. I got stuff to do. Nah, for real. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. This is gonna be a pretty cool build, and we are gonna hop off here and probably go make dinner. So thanks for hanging out. Big Wrench, Almighty Garage. I'm out. Over. Rover. Alrighty guys, back on the project. Just got a 3/4 inch 35 chain clutch in. So let's see if our redneck ingenuity is going to work, or if we're going to weld and fill some of that in. So this came with set screws also, so we can use set screws on it to hold it on. Actually, it's going to go inward, so it's a little sloppy, but I think that'll work. It's got 2 set screws, and it gives us room to move. Gives us room to move a little bit of alignment with the wheel. We'll put some spacers here after we get that on. It'll come to about right there anyway. Then we can move it and set the. But I think that'll hold up. If it ever gives us problems, we can take it off and fill it in, weld it up. So that confirms that. So now I'm gonna do is take some carb cleaner, clean all this out, and I don't have a gasket for this, so I'm going to just use some. I mean, I could make one. I got gasket paper, or I could just use the Permatex gasket sealant. But definitely need to get all this cleaned out of it. Get this thing put back together. And then we gotta probably just make it intake. I'm not sure yet what we're gonna do, what carburetor we're gonna use. Not sure if we're gonna use this muffler. Depends on the route we go with that. But I'll get all that cleaned out, get that put back in. God damn, dude.